Hey everybody, you know, it's coming time, everybody wants a spring clean. Well, my main spring cleaning thing is to get my windows in order after a long winter and lots of storms. So I'm going to use my mop for that, and my chenille mop cloth. All I've done is just wet it a little bit, and I've shortened the handle on my mop, and I'm just going to go right down the window. It's not perfect, but I promise you it's going to be a whole lot better than it was. We got to let go of our perfectionism. You might want to go over it a couple of times to loosen up the dirt, but just look how easy this is. It hasn't even taken any time at all. Then I'm going to take a purple rag or a silver rag or a bronze rag, and I'm going to wipe it dry. And you're going to be amazed at how clean and shiny this window is with just plain water. There we go. What? I missed a spot there. I see some bird poop. In less than 2 minutes, I've got a front picture window that's clean. Now I just need to do the inside. You can do it too. 2 minutes. It doesn't take long to get your windows clean.